Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Favicon in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can click on this customize right here once you head over to your online store. So click on this customize, and then this will open the Shopify editor. Now in here, you should be able to see this left sidebar. So what you can do is you can click on this theme settings right here, and you can expand this logo right here. Now under this logo, you should be able to see also the favicon image. In here, you can select the image that you want to use as a favicon. So it will be automatically scaled down to 32 by 32 pixels. So click on select image right here, and then let's just select the image that you want to use. So for example, for me, I want to use this image right here, and then click on done. And then in here, as you can see, the favicon image will be resized. And then this will be uploaded on my team. So from in here, you can just head over and then click on the save button that you have right here. And once you have done that, this will be saved as your favicon on your actual Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.